$73 for dishwasher tablets. Are you kidding me? Even $36 on sale. No way. $76 for those ones. Alternatively, you could just get the cheap powder for $3.90. Or you can make your own eco-friendly frugal version with 3 basic ingredients. You just need 1 cup of lactic washing soda, half a cup of bicarb, and 1/4 cup of citric acid. Mix. Then just use a funnel to store it in a glass jar or whatever container you like. You just need about a tablespoon per load. In total, it's $11.10 for all of the ingredients. You will get multiple loads out of the washing soda and the bicarb and 1 and a bit out of the citric acid.